Let's start new chapter with the reading session. The name of the chapter is Games We Play. We all have some free time that we use to do what we want. Doing things offer choice makes us feel fresh, relaxed, and happy. Such a time is known as leisure time. Leisure, leisure, time, time. And the things done in this time is called recreation. Recreation. We generally play games in our leisure time. We also play games to do exercises. Exercises. Some people play games as their profession. Profession. Some of these games we play indoor and some outdoor. Thus, the games are of two kinds: indoor, INNDOOR, indoor games, and outdoor, OUT, DOOR, outdoor games. Both indoor and outdoor games are played in school and at home. Indoor games. Games that are played indoors are called indoor games. Indoor games can be played in school or at home with siblings. SIBLINGS, siblings. Sibling means your brother and sister. And family members. Some indoor games are board games like Ludo, Snake and Ladder, Scrabble, Monopoly, Plot 4, Chess, Carom, and Cards. Games can be played indoors during monsoons. MON, SOONS, soons, monsoons. When it is rainy or on very hot and sunny days. During illness, ILLNESS, illness. Illness means when you are not feeling well. During illness also, children play indoor games to pass time. Outdoor games. Games that are played outside are called outdoor games. The most common outdoor games are tennis, badminton, cricket, football, hockey, volleyball, basketball, handball, kho-kho, cycling, and skating. Outdoor games are played in different playing areas. For example, tennis and badminton are played in courts. COURTS, courts. Cricket, hockey, and football are played in fields. FIELDS, fields. These games are either played individually. Individually means one person at a time, as in tennis, or in teams, as in cricket. Children play different games during their lunch, break, or games period. Games in the past. Nowadays, we love to play games such as lock and key, hide and seek, tennis, badminton, handball, kho, cycling, skating, etc. Do you think our grandparents also played these games when they were children? No, they played different games that we play today. They played games such as Chupam Chupai, Gilli Danda, Pithu, that is 7 stones, Kanche, that is marbles, Langri Tang, spinning tops, kite flying, Pakadam Pakadai, and Kabaddi. These games are simple games and can be played with locally available traditional equipment. TRADITIONAL Traditional Equipment. EQUIPMENT Equipment. Some of these games are very similar to the games that we play today. For example, Langri Tang is like hopscotch. HOP hop, SCOTCH scotch, hopscotch. The equipment used to play games in the past were kanchas, pithus, guitars, chopper, gilli danda, tops, skipping ropes, dolls, and kites. Games in the present. Today, the television and computer has taken over games. Most children play video games at video games parlors on PSP, Xbox, or computers. Children also play games like cricket, football, and hockey. In schools, athletics is common. Adventure, ADVENTURE. Adventure means which contains high amount of risk or danger. Adventure sports have also become popular. Schools organize, organize camps for scuba diving, rock climbing, surfing, etc. Games as work. Some people play games as a profession. PROFESSION profession. They earn money by playing. These men and women are called professional sports persons. SPORTS sports, PERSONS persons, sports persons. Sports is their occupation. OCCUPATION occupation. India has many sports persons who have won trophies and awards at international events. MS Dhoni is the captain of Indian cricket team that won the Cricket World Cup in 2011. Sania Mirza, SANIA Sania, MIRZA Mirza, Sania Mirza, and Leander Paes, LEANDER Leander, PAES Leander Paes are tennis players. Saina Nehwal, SAINA Saina, NEHWAL Nehwal. Saina Nehwal is a badminton champion.